Good afternoon. Welcome students to math class. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am your math teacher Ranjana Singh and this is my fifth video of math class. So let us start. Before we start, I tell you in this video will we learn about the international system of writing number. International system which is followed by a lot of countries in the world. Indian system of and international system find the difference. Number system of numeration. This is international system and is international system and Indian system of numeration. We learn about in previous video Indian system of numeration as like we divided Indian system of numeration groups. One group, second group is thousand group, third group is lakh, and fourth group is crore, right? And one's period consists 3 digit, 1, 2, 3, and thousand period consists 2 digit, lakh period consists 2 digit, crore consists 2 digit. So first place is called ones, tens, hundred, right? Thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So when I give the places and groups, follow by these manners in Indian system. This system follow by sub-Indian continent, that is Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, and divided the grouping 3 1 2 3 2 2 2 as like 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2. So we divided the grouping. First group has consist 3 digit, thousand group consists 2 digit, lakh group consists 2 digit, and crore consists 2 digit. So before we dividing as grouping ones group, thousand group, lakh group and crore group. Divided into first 3 digit, ones, tens, hundred, next 2 digit, thousand, 10,000, next 2 digit, lakh, 10 lakh, next 2 digit, crore, 10 crore. This is Indian system. Indian system followed by Indian subcontinent, right? इंडियन सिस्टम को कौन कौन फॉलो करता है? इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट. इट मीन जो इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट वो किसको फॉलो करेंगे? इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन, दैट इज जैसे इंडिया, पाकिस्तान एंड बांग्लादेश फॉलो इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. So we learn about international system. International system of numeration. This system is follow other than sub-Indian continent or European countries. Country. It means जो other Indians are other than sub-Indian continent. It means foreign countries as European countries as like America, Australia, London, etc. Mostly European country follow this system and other than सब इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट जो सब इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट में नहीं आती वो कंट्री इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम को फॉलो करती हैं. डिवाइड इज द ग्रुपिंग how learn divided the digit or groups in international system. In this case we started from right, divided into 3 3 3 3. So we start left from right. The first 3 digit ones, tens, hundred. Next first 3 digit there is a ones group, and next 3 digit ones, tens, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is a second group is called thousand group. Next divided into 3 digits ones, 2, 3. This group is called million group. And next 1, 2, 3, this is called billion group. So divided as 3, 3, 3, 3. Right? To first 3 digit consist one group, and second divided into 3 digit consists 1000 group. Million group consists 3 digit, million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion consists 3 digit divided billion, 10 million, and 100 million. Right? So divided is international system 3, 3, 3, 3, whereas Indian system 3, 2, 2, 2. Means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So we can say that so divide as 3, 3, 3 in 3, 3, 3 in international system, whereas Indian system divided into 3, 2, 2, 2. But remember that we always start from right side, not left side. So never started the grouping or period from left side and divided the digits. So let's start the place value chart of international system. Right? पीरियड या इसको हम ग्रुप भी बोल सकते हैं, एंड प्लेसेस. ठीक, वी डिवाइडेड इनटू फर्स्ट प्ले ग्रुप या फर्स्ट पीरियड. ये दिस इज अ फर्स्ट पीरियड इज कॉल्ड वंस ग्रुप. दिस इज अ सेकंड पीरियड इज कॉल्ड 1000 ग्रुप. दिस इज अ थर्ड पीरियड इज कॉल्ड मिलियन ग्रुप्स, and this is a fourth period, this is called billion period. First period divided into 3 places, ones, tens, 100, and 1000 group divided 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Million divided 3 places, million, 10 million, 100 million, and next divided 3 digits, billion, 10 million, and 100 billion. So we can say that international divided 3, 3, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we can read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So how can we read and write these numbers? So let's take an examples. 37,426,589. So we separate the groups. So million groups, this is a million group, right? And 426,000 is group, separate by group, and 89. So 37 million, comma, right? 426,000, comma, 589. And given numbers, taken second example, million, right? So 30 million, comma, 424. दिस इज कॉल्ड, कौन सा पीरियड होगा ये हमारा? वंस होगा, है ना. विच पीरियड इज मिसिंग? 1000. सो 1000 कंसिस्ट 3 डिजिट. सो राइट 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, एंड वंस पीरियड. सो 424. ठीक है, यानी जो ग्रुप या पीरियड आपका मिसिंग होता है उसकी जगह हम क्या राइट करते हैं? जीरोस राइट करते हैं. लाइक 37 मिलियन ग्रुप था, और मिलियन ग्रुप के बाद कौन से पहले कौन सा थर्ड ग्रुप है आपका, है ना. सेकंड ग्रुप क्या था? 1000. बट यहाँ पे 1000 दिया है? नहीं दिया. इसीलिए हमने क्या किया? 1000 ग्रुप की जगह हमने क्या राइट कर दिया? 000 because 1000 period consists 3 digit. So write 3 zeros, 1 2 3 है ना. And ones period follow consists 3 digits, so the given 424 is ones period, so can we write. Okay, lesson text some examples. Other 10 million 24,005. We divided separate by groups. 10 million, comma 24,000. But international system has consist 1000 period 3 digit but 1 and 2, so write the zeros. 24 comma, अब क्या दिया आपको 5, सो वंस पीरियड कंसिस्ट 3 डिजिट 5, तो 3 डिजिट करना तो क्या करोगे, जीरो ऐड करोगे तो 1 और ये 2. इफ अगर ऐसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, अगर यही नंबर है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको राइट द अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेस वंस पीरियड है ना. तो क्या है आपका 10 मिलियन, 10 मिलियन, ठीक है 10 million, right. And given 24,000, 24,005, so write the zeros. This number match this number same, so this is a international system. Now given some example, write in words. So we separate from groups. Digit divided by 3 by 3, 3 by 3, right. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This is called million period, this is called 1000 period, this is called ones period, right. यानी write the comma, put the commas after 3 digits. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. So this is called ones period, this is called 1000 period, and this is called million period. So we read this number 549 million. Next we read number 118,000, and we read as 766. Let us second example. 4 6 3 9 2 4 5 8 9. Okay, so divided as a digits. After put the commas after 3 digits. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This is called ones period, this is called 1000 period, this is called million period. So we read as 463 million. This is it 924,000, and this read number 589. So I hope I hope you learned this concept very well. If any problem in this concept, so contact me in WhatsApp.